15th of January is celebrated as the Army Day. It is the day when the then Lieutenant General, later Field Marshal Cariappa, became the first Indian Chief of Army Staff. Several army men have laid down their lives fighting external aggressions and terrorists in the service of the motherland. But there is one civilian who is waging his own silent battle, and he is celebrating the lives of these martyrs and not mourning their death. We are joined by 23-year-old Hutansh Verma, who is a teacher in a local school here in Lakshmi Nagar. He is a resident of Lakshmi Nagar, and he's been painting the sketches of martyrs, Paramveer Chakra winners, various gallantry award winners. Hutansh, what gave you the inspiration to start sketching the martyrs from the armed forces?
Major Unni Krishnan, I saw his face. Then I started making his sketch. Then I realized, now what? My dad say, just mail it to his father. Get some information about through Indian Army headquarters and mail it to them. Then I realized I'll make all the portraits of martyrs only. In 1 year, I'll make 50 portraits and I'll exhibit in one gallery, and then I'll gift it to them.
Captain Vijayan Thapar, who was martyred in the Kargil War of 1999. So tell us something. What was your experience? Was it an easy sketching him?
It is not that much easy and not that much difficult. I see a little bit of highlights, and eyes expressions were very good, and I get a very high resolution pic. He was very charming. और उन्होंने मतलब कारगिल वॉर में भी एक बच्चे की भी बहुत मदद करी है. अपने लास्ट लेटर में भी उस बच्चे के बारे में उन्होंने डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है. हिज फादर इनवाइटेड मी एट हिज होम, और उनसे जो बात करके एक स्पिरिचुअल टच मुझे मिला, तो ये एक बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है अब इस चीज को कंटिन्यू करने.
That is what patriotism does to you. Major Sandeep Unni Krishnan, he was martyred when he was fighting terrorists in the 26 November 2008 terrorist attack on Mumbai. So was it easy sketching him, and did you meet his family?
It was my first sketch.
Okay. So this is special to you.
It is very special to me. Lots of feelings I have put in it, and he is a very, you can say, a very charming person, I think. Okay. Because you can see the facial expressions, you can see the eyes, lips, very handsome personality basically. So मेरे लिए बहुत special है.
Major Somnath Sharma was martyred in the war with Pakistan in 1947. In fact, he was the first Paramveer Chakra. So tell us some anecdotes about him. You must have also researched about these people when you were making the sketches. What did you learn?
Actually, about Major Somnath Sharma, one army person told me about him that he was very brave actually. And they give me information. Army headquarters told me to do a portrait of Major Somnath Sharma also. We'll give you all the information about him. And it was the easiest sketch because he was very handsome, and you can see his pose. It is just like a hero. So you can compare him to like any hero in our film or in Bollywood. So it is very easy because the cap and the expression, the attitude was very good. So I feel very excited about him. When I started it, I was very excited, and when I finished, then I say, ban gaya, ab to.
So Hutansh, you are no less a warrior than all these brave men you've sketched, and may you find a greater audience for them, for these inspiring stories. Thank you for speaking to DD News. With camera person Gopal in New Delhi, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.